In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp. A Gantt chart is a clear, visual timeline of your work. It shows when tasks start, when they end, and how they overlap, so you can spot bottlenecks early and keep your project on track. Let's set one up together in ClickUp in a simple, reliable way. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and head straight into the project where you want to build the timeline. Think of this project as the home for all the tasks you want to schedule. Once you're inside, look for the View options at the top of the screen and switch the display to Gantt. The Gantt View transforms your existing tasks into a timeline and is the best place to plan durations and handoffs. Before you add or change anything, click Customize in the Gantt View. This is where you dial in exactly how you want the chart to look and behave. Choose the timescale that matches your planning horizon, like days, weeks, or months, and adjust filters to show only the lists, tags, or statuses you care about. If your project is complex, zooming out helps you see the big picture. If you're working on upcoming work, zooming in keeps near-term tasks crisp and easy to read. If you open the project menu, you'll see your tasks organized by list and status. This is your reference point. The Gantt chart reflects whatever is in that task list, so it's helpful to make sure the right section of the project is selected and visible. If you don't see anything on the timeline yet, it usually means tasks don't have dates, which we'll add next. Near the project's headline, click the plus button to add new tasks. Give each task a clear, action-oriented name so it's obvious what needs to be done. Add a start date and a due date. That's what draws the bar on the timeline. If you only set a due date, you'll see a very short bar. Setting a realistic start and end instantly makes the schedule more meaningful. Create as many tasks as you need and keep names consistent to make the chart easy to scan. To refine any task, click the pencil icon to open its details. Here you can assign the task to the right person, confirm or tweak the dates, and add any essential context in the description or subtasks. Assigning ownership makes responsibilities crystal clear and helps teammates see their workload directly on the Gantt. As you review the chart, feel free to drag taskbars to fine-tune dates. Your changes update in real time, and your customized Gantt view will be ready whenever you return to the project.